Oh, David, I'm confirmed the video.
You are welcome. This is we're going to braze a pipe for stove. Okay, it is leaking. So this is brazing. We have blast rod incorporated with the flux. Okay, so the flux is already inside. Otherwise, for the ordinary ones, you're going to heat it, dip it into the powdered paste or the liquid flux before the welding. But this one, we can easily weld straight. So this is my blue pipe, a welding blue pipe, my spark lighter, and then my blast rod. So flux incorporated. So I'm going to breathe. Unfortunately, this is galvanized, and this one isn't a pure blast. My first son, we're going to restart my work. This isn't a pure blast. In fact, here is blast, but the down one isn't a pure blast. So brazing is very difficult. And also we have this as a steel, galvanized. Okay. So for example, blast to galvanize, and it is not easy to braze. I'll try my best. Listen. Don't disturb my work. So before gas is opened, we mean that's it. So oxidizing frame, a carburizing frame, a neutral frame. We have this as neutral frame, and then oxidizing, more oxygen. That's what I'm going to use for the brazing. So preheating is done before the rod is applied. Leave them. My flame is too high, so I have to lower it a bit. Okay, so I'm just preheating it for the metal to split. That's all. Now I'm preheating to melt the brass to spread properly. That's all. So basically, welding is done. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.